Hi, this is Delaily's Art Channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Enjoy this video where I give details on how to use the brush tools on Procreate and showcasing the end results of this digital art. I found this picture of this girl on Pinterest, and I really liked her overall makeup aesthetic. I decided to draw her and make it my own and tweak some details. Right now, I am sketching the outline of her face and features. I'm getting into the shape of her lips, her nose, the curve of her cheekbones, and the outline of her hair. Most artists would draw out freestyle, but as I'm barely becoming accustomed to Procreate, I would suggest adding the photo to the digital canvas and then add a second layer, then outline the whole portrait of your muse. After I'm done sketching, it's time to put the base. I get another third layer underneath the second layer, and I use the airbrush tools to smooth out her different skin tones. This is where I can get a little messy in the process because I'm only going for the colors to lay out the foundations. Once I finish the base, it's time to add some minor details to bring out the character's features and outline. For the hair, I use H28 and H29. These tools were made by an artist named Taozipie. They're amazing and very useful. A link will be in the description box. Next is the eyebrows. This is where it becomes a little tricky. Some artists would simply do the outline, but for this part, I'm actually using another brush set where I print the color base and then use H29 to outline the details of her eyebrow. This brush set is by an artist named Taozipie. Sorry if I butchered her name. Her brush sets will be available as well. However, I will mention there is one flaw. When buying her eyebrow and makeup sets, the direction of the brush is only set one way. To maneuver the eyebrows into the position I wanted it to be, I add another layer, stamp the eyebrow brush, and then use the arrow to toggle the width and shape. And then I flip it to the left side of the eyebrow as it only features the right. For the eyeshadows, I add another layer where I can really mess around with the colors. I tweak this part of her makeup by adding different colors to each other and then use the smudge brush to smooth out shadows so it becomes a lifelike makeup eyeshadow. Then I add pink, orange, orange red, and red to the under eye so she has that smoky effect. For the lips, I use the airbrush tools to smooth out the base of the colors and shadows I need. While in doing so, using the airbrush and the color white, I'm giving her lips a dust-like effect, and using the lip tools to outline the cracks of her lips and give it a glossy effect. I then smudge and smooth out her hair and skin to give realistic effect. This is where I add cracks, wrinkles, dust, and freckles to make the skin come alive. As for the hair, I smooth it out as I didn't want a messy look, but since I'm getting better at the skin, the hair is still not my best feature. It's okay if it's not perfect, just keep practicing till you find your own style of hair texture. For the eyes, I shade in the color black, then smooth it over the hood to give it a shadow-like effect. I paint in the white for outer corners, then airbrush the gray while I stamp in the irises, while adding more streaks to the eye. Then I stamp on reflective lights to make the eye seem as something is being reflected onto her face. As I'm done with drawing the major and minor details, it's time to add my special effects. Erase the sketch on the first layer, add any last-minute details such as fine hairs to the eyebrows or eyelashes, color in the hearts, and finish off the colorful smoky eye makeup. For this highlighted look from the sparkles in hair, add another layer and then tap on the layer where you see the letter N. It will show a row of tools to either darken or lighten your art. To make the highlights and sparkles brighten, you go on lighten and then press add, and voila, the special effects look bright as ever. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, I'll answer them as best as I can. You can follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and until next time, bye!